Alright, San Francisco's officially starting to piss me off. I can't eat food without these birds in my face. No, get away from me. Get away. Get away. You too. Ah! I'm getting attacked by my own subway. Yeah, I'm almost done, but damn, these little punks are persistent. And the seagulls are emerging. Once again, I'm under attack. Bay Bridge in the background. Subway in my hand. Good day of auditioning. And still being attacked. Get away from me. You too. Need a pellet gun or some shit. Some stuff. Oh gosh. Alright, going again. Getting attacked once more. Yes. They're swooping in for the kill. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Attack of the Birds. Episode 2. Bay Bridge, good food, horrible company. Get away from me. Get away. Shoo, get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, you too. They're after my scraps. Here. Eat that. Yes, be satisfied. Eat a pepper, you prick. Ah! Oh, I just dumped my subway on my lap. I'm gonna punch you in the face. That's right. They're back again. Oh my god. Some more. Get away from me. They're surrounding me at all angles. No. Whoa. Oh god. Damn. Just say no to drugs. Whoa. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Attack of the finger. That's right. Shut up. Holy crap. What? I'm gonna throw a rock at you. Wow. That did a lot. Dude. Shit. Crap. Hey. Hello. Pull my finger. Shut up. God, the black ones are annoying. All of them are, but good God. It's mine. Dude. Holy crap. Oh, jeez. Getting kind of hairy down here. Getting kind of hairy. These weren't here 2 minutes ago. Stay away from San Francisco. God. First episode was on the other side of that building. Now I'm over here and they're still after me. Yeah, it's gorgeous today. Perfect weather. Too bad I wasn't with some friends or family, you know, acquaintances, somebody to keep me company. No, it just got me and the damn seagulls. Thanks.